So we have 19 observations and the 7 variables. This is the data. So we have 19 observations and the 7 variables. This is the data that I started using it. If you want to have a descriptive statistic, what is the minimum procedure that we can, basic procedure that we can write? We can write. Then we call it, if I use this program, it is going to execute on most recently executed data set, which is an example data set. But if you want to work with a specific data set, what is the option that we should write? Okay, by default, you know what is going to happen? Along with the 5 data statistics for all the 4 numerical variables, age, height, weight, and BMI, we are going to get one more extra column called label. If you do not want to have the label column, tell me what we should do. You should use an option called labels. And not only that one, I'm getting 5 statistics sometimes, so I'm going to get the too many decimal values. If you want to handle the decimal values, what is the option should write? How many decimals you want to have? 2 means 2 decimals, 0 means 0 decimals. Okay, so these are the options that we have seen. And by default, we are getting analysis for all the numerical variables of the data set. But I want to have analysis for specific variable. If you want to have analysis for specific variable, what is the statement you should write? That statement. That statement. So that statement specifies for which variable you want to have analysis. I want to have analysis for only 8 variables. And by the way, if I do the program, I'm going to get analysis for 8 variables. But again, I'm going to get the 5 default statistics. But you know, that statement I put A variables question analysis. All the numerical variables. Default statistics understand and mean standard deviation to minimum max. I do not want to have a default statistics, so I want to have a total for all the numerical variables. If you want to have a total, what the statistical keyword you should use? You should use sum. Sum is a statistical keyword that is going to give totals for all the numerical variables. You get only the totals, not the default ones. But the default ones cover it, but if you want to mention, tell me how to mention. I want to have n, I want to have a mean, I want to have standard deviation, I want to have minimum, and then what I want to have maximum. This is how we can also specify. You get n mean standard deviation, minimum, and maximum. Even I to by default n means standard deviation, minimum, and maximum. Both are going to give the same result. But I want to have a different requirement. Whatever the requirement that we have to tell them, what is that procedure we are going to do? Means data is equal to the data set which data set that we want to have. And I do not want to have any labels, no labels option. I want to have only 2 decimals, max is equal to 2. Now what are the stats that we want to have? Now I want to have n. What is the n is going to give? Number of values.
Certain number of observations.
N means number of missing values. Okay. I want to have lowest value mean. I want to have highest value max. I want to have an average value mean. I want to have median. Do you know what is the median? Very good, median value. I want to have the value more. Okay. I want to have variance value. I want to have the standard deviation value. Okay. I want to have a t-test value t. I want to have a standard error. Okay. I want to have a first quartile. I want to have a third quartile. I want to have a 10th percentile. I want to have 90. It can be any percentile, P20, P80, whatever the percentile that you want to have. And along with that, I want to have uncorrected sums of squares, UCSSO. I want to have a corrected sum of squares, CSSO. CSSO and CSSO. I want to have LCLM, lower 9th quartile. And I want to have, UCLM. And these are the sum of the statistics I wanted. I have in the list of all the statistics, you can go through that one. Now, if I put the program for all the 4 numerical variables, we are going to get all these statistics. Depends on our requirement, we are going to write each statistical keyword, whatever statistic you are going to have, you are going to write that. Understand this one, everybody? But tell me, what is the syntax, programming syntax I should write? I want to get only for 8 variable, I want to get the total. What is the syntax that you write down? Prop means, data is equal to data, and I want to have any labels, no labels. I want to have only 2 decimals, max is equal to 2.
And sum.
Back at which variable? I do not want to have 5 statistics, so what I want to have? I want to have 2. Now we are going to get the total. For which variable? Only for 8 variable. Understand this one? And by the way, this 8 is moved all the 19 students. I want to have males separately and females separately. If you want to have males and females separately, what is the statement that we should write? Right statement. In the 5 statement, we have sex available. In sex, we have 2 types of values, females and males. Now we are going to get females, so 1 table, males, 1 table. But what is the problem with this program now?
How to sort the data set?
Sort data is equal to which data set? Class, by sex, semicolon. Now all the females is going to come as one group, then the males, and now I am going to use prop means procedure. This is how. Now the 5 statement is going to print output based on the 5 variable. Since in the 5 statement we have sex, so it is going to come females at a separate table and the males at a separate table. That is the problem with the 5 statement. But we have a much advanced statement, and with the same program, there is a statement I'm writing class statement. Okay, class set. Now select the program, I go to program. Now also I'm going to get the same result, but what advantage there? When I have 5 tables, so here we are going to get both in the same table. And by the way, one more important thing is when you write a 5 statement, you have to sort the data by the variable, but here you don't need to sort the data. So we have advantages by class statement. So the class statement is going to give the report categorically how many categories that we have in the 5 statement. Class variable, those many categories we are going to get. But when I write a class statement, we are getting an extra unnecessary column, number of observations. This is not writing task, this is writing task one. So, but you're going to get penalty class statement like this one. If you do not want to have a number of observations, you know what you should do? You should write an option called no NOPS. No number of observations, so it will suppress the printing of that observation number. So that is complete. But you see, this is the difference between the previous table and current table. No NOPS. How? Understand this one, Tom? Now tell me, I want to have different, what is the total weight for in, middle, and end? Tell me what the program that we are going to write now? We are going to specify block means data is equal to class data set. I want to have only total class statement for which I want to have weight variable, and in the class statement, what's the data?
Age group.
But when I think age group extra, we are going to get one column NOPS. If you do not want to have that NOPS, what I should write now?
No NOPS. No obvious.
Now the NOPS copy is going to get suppressed. So can you see, did we sort the data by age group? No. Without sorting also we got it. So that means we only need to sort the data by data class statement. Now, class age group are select about the analysis. How we got the analysis? How many what is the total weight of the and what is the weight of adult students? Isn't it? Now, you know what I want to do? What I want to do now? Now, within the sex, within the females, okay? Within the females, I want to know what is the adult students total weight, what is the middle student total weight, what is the young students total weight. Again, I want to have analysis within the males. Now, I want to know what is the total weight of adult, again, middle, and again, young. Tell me what rate. Understand the calculation within the gender already group? So, if you want to have analysis like that one, now I am going to write a prop means data is equal to data set, which is a class data set. I want to have a total, no number of observations, no NOPS. Okay? Class statement for which variable?
Class 6 age group.
Divide the data within the 6
At age group.
Alright, okay. So now the data is going to categorically divided into males and females, and within the females, again age group, within the males, age group. Now select the program executed. Now can you see, within the females, adult, middle, and young total weight. And again within the males also, adult, middle, and young total weight. Now tell me what is going to happen if I specify height, weight, and PUP. Tell me how the report is going to be. I'm going to get
All of the inputs, total weight, females and males, and within that age group also.
Now this is how I'm doing it. So we are going to get the labels. You do not want to have the label. What is the option should write now? Next option. The labels are going to get suppressed. Now this is what. Within the females, adult, middle, young, I'm going to get analysis for which three variables? Height, weight, and PUP. And I want to have sum, and I want to have average also. Now, and the sum and the mean. Here, sum only average what I tell me how I'm going to get the report now. 94 last 5. You get the 50% practice for whom?
Where the height range?
It's the sex age group.
Age group.
So 5 divided by 6, and within the 6, 8. Clear everybody? This is one of the options that we will real time. Now tell me, what analysis that we should do it for age variable? What statistics I want to have for age variable? Can you see that there? What are the statistics that I want to have?
M, median, min, max.
Mean, standard deviation, median, min, max.
Max.
Tell me, take SAS and class as an example. Okay? In that we have age variable. I want to have an answer for age variable. What analysis I want to have? Tell me, what is the program element?
Block means
Okay, block means
data is equal to asset address.
okay, block means data is equal to class data set. For which will I want to have an answer?
Age.
Age variable, very good. What kind of analysis that I want to have? Analysis for an N, standard deviation, min, how many statistics you want to have? How many statistics? Okay. I have it in the program. This is the analysis. What is the problem? Okay. Now this is the statistics I'm getting. Can you see whatever statistics you are getting? N, mean, standard deviation, median, minimum, and maximum. And this is the report we should have. Tell me both the reports are the same in the
No. We have to give is a table this.
What is the problem? What is the difference between that one and this one?
About the format
All you do here, in the mock shell, this is called mock shell by the way. Mock shell, and they'll give us table stated. You will not have values in it. They're going to have how the table should must be looks like. And if you have it like this one, this is called a mock shell. Okay? In the mock shell, we have age variable. Under that, I want to have a, n, and I want to have mean and standard deviation in one line. Standard deviation must be within the parenthesis. Median as one line, one record. Minimum and maximum side by side, separated with the comma. I want to have it what is 6 times 6. I want to have all the 6 axes in 4 lines. That's why I want to have the horizon in vertical dimension like this. But when you say, when I the problem is procedure, how we got the result? We got the 6 axis. But how we got?
Horizontal.
But I want to have a vertical like this one. So that means, whatever the report that we are getting in output window, this is not the what we want to have. If you have a report like this one, if you want to have a report like this one, we cannot make any changes in the output window if you get like this one. Because we cannot do any modifications or manipulations in this output window. It's a fixed, it's rigid, we cannot make any changes. So, if the report is in horizontal, but if you want to make it a vertical partition,
Stop transpose.
block transpose. We should transpose the data. But if you want to transpose the data, where we should have the data?
The data put.
We should have the data set. But where we have this report?
Output. Result here and output.
So that's why whatever information that we are getting here, it is not helpful. So, but what we should do, whatever the report that we are getting in output window, we should get the same report in a data set. How to get this report not in output window? How to get this information in a data set?
Out is equal to?
We cannot get out is equal to option. Then how to get this information in a data set? Now I'm right there. Now I'm writing doc means data is equal to class data set. Now, BAM statement, date variable, tell me if I put this program, what will we get in output window? First of all, what will we get in output window?
All the different characteristics for the class.
We get the 95 charges. What are the charges that we get?
N means standard deviation, median, min, max.
Very good. But which variable?
Variable.
So where will we get this information? Output.
In output window and result here.
Right. You get an output window like that. That is fine. But I do not want to have output window, but I want to save it in a data set. If you want to save it in a data set, now we are going to write a new statement called output. Out is equal to the data set name. I want to have this information data set called temp data set. Now we should write a new statement called output. Out is equal to data set. Now if I select the program and do the program, I am going to get the report in output window. At the same time, I am going to get the output in a data set called temp. Where this data set by default will be saved in the one. Now in the temp data set, okay, this is what we have. We are also going to have the same information. But one important thing is try to observe what are the automatic variables that we are getting. The first automatic variable I am getting underscore type underscore. The value becomes 0. I will tell you what it is 0. Okay, next underscore frequency underscore. What we have in underscore frequency underscore? 19 the page. It's enough for all the 19 of the page. And then underscore stat underscore. What stats that we are getting? What stats that we are getting by default? N. You know why? How many? Why if we get those values are stressing again? What are the default? What are the default? Because this is such an important question. Understand this one? Now, so for all the 19 students, so the number is 19 values that we have, and by weight 19 values that we have, minimum weight is 50 points out of 19 students, maximum weight is 150, average weight is 100.02623157, and the standard deviation for all the 19 students is 22.7739, something like that. So very important question, what are the default variables that you get when you save the block means result in a data set? What are the variables that you get? Underscore type,
underscore frequency, underscore standard,
and for which default variable. By default, since I'm getting a BAM statement weight variable, I'm getting for weight variable. In the BAM statement, I will put here is supposed to
all the numerical variables.
So, but age variable, height variable, weight variable, and then the PM again. What are the variables? Understand this one, everybody? Very good. Now, what I'm going to do now? I want to have only for weight variable. If you want to have only for weight variable, what is the statement you should write? Which variable? The mix axis that you get?
All the records in the mean, max, mix, standard.
I want to have only what variable should I write that one? Block means
after the data.
You should use this one. So, first of all, I'm going to clean the output window. But there is a viewer and output window. Now we use this program. If I use the program, now this is how I'm getting. Tell me what is the output we are getting output window? We are getting only what is this axis? Okay. Now, but what information that we are saving in the data? Because of the same procedure I'm executing, how the output of this is equal to? Yeah. Now see, if I open this answer, for which variable we have an answer? Weight variable. But what stats that we are having? What's the default statistics. But in the program, what statistics I'm requesting here?
Sum.
So in the output window, I'm getting only the total. But if you want, I will do one thing. This time, I'm creating a temp1 dataset. In the output window, I'm going to get only the total sum. But in the dataset, what stats are they getting? What stats are they getting?
Default on the
They're getting default. That means whatever the sum that they are getting, this is only for where? This is only for output window.
output window.
But again in the dataset, it is saying all the default statistics. But anyway, I want to have only in the dataset. I want to have this one. I do not want to have output window. If you do not want to have output window, now we are going to use an option called no print.
No print.
What this no print option will do? No print option will suppress the printing of the information in the output window. But now see, I'm able the program. Now the information is getting saved in dataset for temp1 because we are writing output of table to temp1. Now if I open the temp1, can you see I'm getting default statistics. And by the way, in the dataset temp1 also, I want to have only total. Now if you want to have only total, what we should do? What we should do? We should write that keyword we should use in the output statement. Okay? In the output statement, when writing any statistical keyword, we should write the statistical keyword. Not only the statistical keyword, we should write the statistical keyword is equal to symbol. Okay? Now, if I select the program, we do the program. In the dataset also, we are going to have, can you see what we have now? We have only the total. But we are getting the total, but the most important thing is, what is the variable name that we are getting? What is the variable name that we are getting?
Wait.
The variable name that we are getting is speed. But what the statistic this is?
Sum of
The statistic is sum total. But what the variable name we are getting?
Wait.
Now, I want to have a sum. I want to have average also. If you want to have average, what the statistical keyword should use?
Meaning
Again, we should keep one space. Now, here the problem is, in the sum of the sum is equal to the variable name mentioned.
Wait.
Now, I'm asking me is also for each variable. Wait. Now, what am I putting it down? Now, that means in the temp1 dataset, we are going to have a total and average, but for both the total and average, what are the variable name? Wait. So, now in ambiguity, can we have two variables with the same name in one dataset?
No.
If you variable name రావాలంటే చూడండి మనకి ఏమవుతుంది అండర్స్కోర్ టైప్ అండర్స్కోర్ వస్తుందండి నెక్స్ట్ ఏమొస్తుంది అండర్స్కోర్ సీక్వెన్స్ అండర్స్కోర్ నెక్స్ట్ ఏమొస్తుందంటే మోడల్ వచ్చి వెహికల్ వస్తుంది మళ్ళీ ఇంకో వేరియబుల్ ఏమొస్తుందంటే వెహికల్ వస్తుందండి నౌ ఐ పుట్ హ్యావ్ సారీ now underscore type underscore we are going to have 0 underscore sequence underscore 90 the rate is going to be 1900.5 or something and then we are going to have average for example 100 point something like this. This is the output. Now what the problem here we have? We are having two variables with the same name. Can we have two variables with the same name in one data set?
No.
That's why when I use the program, finally I want to create a temp2 data set. Now select the program, execute it. I have temp2, but then now I have only one variable, vehicle. So that means I'm getting weight, but I'm not getting the mean. I want to check what exactly happened. I'll go to the top window. Now this is the warning that we have. Can you see what the warning we have?
Variable weight already existent.
I work on the not calculated, but I cannot create now average. So the duplicate variables will not be included in the data set. In the case, sum key, mean key, the variable is equal to the same because of the other person for me. What we should do now? I want to have both the total and average also. So now we have an option. Now output out is equal to data set name. Then whichever the statistic that we want to get, write the statistical keyword is equal to symbol. And after all got over, we should keep a forward slash. We should write an option called auto name. What is this auto name option will do? It is going to give the names automatically. So that means now we are going to get weight underscore sum, weight underscore mean. So we are going to have two different variables. So can you see? Variable name is weight underscore sum because of we are calculating for weight variable. What is the statistic that we are calculating here? Sum. And weight underscore. Now we have two different variables. So now we can put the weight. No error, nothing, no what. I am writing block means data is equal to data set name class. I do not want to have anything in output window, no print option. Now I am writing class statement. I want to have an access for weight variable. Then I want to say the information in the data set output. Out is equal to new data set name, which is a temp3. What statistic that I want to have? I want to have the statistic for example something is equal to. I want to have n is equal to. I want to have mean is equal to. I want to have mean is equal to. Then max is equal to. Then I want to have standard deviation is equal to. Then I want to have the median is equal to. Then I want to have mode is equal to. First quartile is equal to. Third quartile is equal to. 10th percentile is equal to. 90th percentile is equal to. Whatever the statistic you want to have. You should write the statistical keyword is equal to. After all the statistics got over, what do we do? Forward slash, we should write equal. Now we are going to get all the statistics what I have specified in output statement. I'm going to get by the way. Now in the template, can you see? Sum, n, mean, minimum, maximum, standard deviation, median, mode, whatever the statistic we mentioned. Uncorrected sums of squares, corrected sums of squares, UCLM, LCLM, they are going to get whichever size that we requested, you will get all these. Now, since the data is in a data set, whatever the manipulation that you want to, you can do it. You can transpose it, you can merge it, you can concatenate it, whichever one you can do. Now, I'm writing properties. Data is equal to class data set. I want to have analysis for height and weight. And I want to save the information in data set output. Out is equal to data set name, which is tempo. Tell me by default what size that you're going to get in the both output window and in the data set also. In output window also, I get the chassis for two variables, height and weight. In the data set also, I'm going to have 5 default chassis for both height and weight. Okay. Now I do not want to have a default chassis, so by the way, I do not want to have anything in output window. If you do not want to print output window, what we should write now? No.
Okay.
Now, in the data set, I want to have total. So sum is equal to, I want to have average, mean is equal. So I will do one thing first of all. I'm writing only sum is equal. Now we'll get total for which two variables? Height and weight.
Height and weight.
Yeah. And you're going to get for height and weight, so total. But I want to have average also. If you want to have average also, what we should write now?
Mean equal.
So, if you want to have an average of both height and weight, now what we should do?
Forward slash auto name.
Get auto name or names also can be. Now select the program which we did. Now we are going to have temp4. So can you see? Height underscore sum, that means total for which variable? Height weight. Weight underscore sum, total for which variable? Weight weight. And height underscore mean, weight underscore mean. And by the way, not only the variable names, so I want to have the labels also. Do we have any label for the height variable? Yes, we have student height in centimeters. I want to have student height in centimeters underscore sum. Now if we want to have the labels also, we are going to specify one more option called auto label. You can label or you can also add the labels. If I specify the auto labels, so now we are going to get the labels for those variables. But by default, I can say only the variable names. So if you want to see the labels, what we should do? Go to the view. Can you see? You just see highlighted height. Student height brackets in centimeters. So now underscore sum. This is going to be the label. So that means now we are getting auto names and auto labels also. Okay. To get the auto labels, what is the option should right now? Auto label or label. You can both. I'm writing block means data is equal to data set name class, and I do not want to have anything output window movement option. Then I'm writing a back statement. I'm writing a wait. I'm writing output. Out is equal to data set name. Out is equal to DS1. Tell me in the DS1 what status and for which variable I'm going to have?
Wait variable, all the default characteristics.
I do not want to have all the default ones. I want to have only for total. What should I do?
Sum is after two.
I'm going to get the sum for which variable?
Wait variable.
Now I'm writing here BMI also. Tell me what is going to happen. Okay, I'm going to get the total for
Of
which
the
variable?
variables.
For both weight and BMI. Weight and BMI. I want to see the only variable name. So now weight, total, BMI total. I want to have total and I want to have average also. What should I do?
Maybe.
Sum is equal to and mean equal.
Forward slash auto labels.
Now by the way, I'm not writing anything. I'm writing only sum, only weight. Tell me what is the variable name I will get now.
Wait.
But I do not want to have variable name weight. I want to have my own variable name. So that I want to have a total weight. If you want to have a customized your own variable name, you know what we should write? You should write the statistical keyword is equal to the variable name. What is the variable name I want to have? Total weight.
Total.
Now, what are variable name I'm going to get now? Total weight. Now we only get auto name now. Now if I execute this program, can you see what the variable I'm getting now? Total weight. In the same way, now I want to have average also. Average is equal to what we should write? Average, how to get average? Mean is equal to, I want to have average weight.
Average.
So what the variable we want to get? Now I want to have, I'm getting min is equal to, I'm getting, say for example, low weight. Max is equal to, I'm getting, say for example, high weight. Whatever the variable that you want, we can write it. Now you no need to write the auto name. So now we are getting given two variables. So statistical keyword is equal to the variable name. This time I'm writing prop means data is equal to class data set. I do not want to get the no print. I'm writing var, height, weight, BMI. Okay. Then I'm writing output. Out is equal to data set name demo1. Tell me what stats that I'm going to get output in the data set.
All the statistics.
All statistics, right? Height, weight, BMI. You're getting 51 statistics. By the way, I want to have only total. What should I know?
Sum equal to total.
Okay, so we get the total. Okay, but now I want to have height total, weight total, BMI total. What should I do? Height total, this is a height total, this is weight total, this is BMI. Those are the different variables I want to have. Now, if you want to have it that way, now what I should write now? What I should write now? Sum is equal to now. For one variable, height total, one variable, weight total, one variable, BMI total. If you want to have different names for different variables, again what we should do? Now, statistical keyword, open the parenthesis. Particularly, I want to have the analysis first of all, height variable. Put the parenthesis is equal to what I want to have. I want to have total. Now, in the same statement, what I want to have again? Sum of weight. Put the parenthesis is equal to what variable I want to have? Total. Then, it is the same. Sum of BMI is equal to how I want to have? Total BMI. So now I am going to have three different variables with three different statistics. Can you see? Total height, total weight, total BMI. So are we going to put statistical keyword within the parenthesis? Variable name is equal to new weight. What is my requirement now? I want to have total or weight. I want to have average for height. I want to have minimum value, maximum value for BMI. For the proven the given. Yes, block means.
This is equal to class.
I can't want to have it. Height.
Height, weight, BMI. Now output is equal to sum open the parenthesis has equal to total weight. Mean for weight, no height, parenthesis height, average equal to mean. Now open the parenthesis BMI is equal to low BMI and the max of BMI is equal to high parenthesis BMI is equal to high BMI.
This is how we write the program. So total weight, average height, BMI, and height. So different variable, different statistics, different variables, new variables. Okay, everybody so far? Now, I'm ready now. Properties, data is equal to class. Tell me sir, one more time what is going to happen.
All the data is transferred to casted.
All the numerical variables, where we get the report?
In output window.
In output window. Understood. Like this. Okay, I do not want to have labels, so no labels. So the labels will be get separate. Okay. And by the way, I want to have 5 default statuses separately for names and verbs. What do you mean?
Class statement.
A can't be written by statement.
We have to run the data.
But if you want to by statement, what is the condition? You have to sort the data and give the figures into one label, names into one label. Get everything in one label. You don't need to sort the data, so what is statement we use? Now I'm going to get females, 5 default statistics, and for males for all the 4 numerical variables, 5 default statistics. I told you, when you're taking a class statement, next time you're going to get one more column for number of observations. So you only have that one. So you should write. Okay. Now select the program, input the program. This is fine. Clear so far, everybody? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
But if you do not want to have those many decimal values, what option that you will write? For how many decimals you want to make it at that time. Okay. Now, what means data is equal to class data set. I'm writing a bad height, age, BMI. By the way, I want to have an analysis for age also. Age. By the way, can I write sex here? Right?
No.
It must be any variable in the class. It must be in
The class.
okay, it must be a numerical because that means analysis variables only one thing. Okay, now tell me, we are going to get output, but I want to save the information in the data. Output, all these things. Now tell me, we are going to have output. We are going to have data.
Underscore star, underscore frequency, underscore like, underscore 3 automatic variables will get.
This is how we are going to come back. We're getting for all the, since I specified the class statement 4 variables, I'm getting analysis for all the 4 variables, and by default, you're going to get 5 default statuses. And if you do not want to have a labels column, I'm going to specify no labels. Okay. And at the same time, since I'm getting output out is equal to data set name, now the information also is saved in the data set called table.
Yes, one.
Now this is the output and this is the data set. Can you see? This is the output window. Can you see the difference between output window and in the data set? In the data set we have
Variables in the horizontal, here in the vertical manner.
and the statistics how we have here? Vertical. Okay, but what are the extra variables that we are getting in the data set?
Automatic variables.
Underscore data set. So see, because we have 4 variables. Underscore f underscore sign the student. What we have here?
0.
Underscore sequence underscore.
And 19.
For all the 19 records, 19 of the machines. What is underscore stat underscore? Okay. Could you able to analyze this one? Did you understand this data set now? Is this clear? I'm writing prompt means data is equal to data set. And I want the analysis for only for the variable. I want to save the data in data set output. Out is equal to ds. The other looks are separate. Data set name output will be separate.
For the statistics for the variable. Or in horizontal manner.
What about the data?
Horizontal underscore star. Stat underscore.
Underscore type underscore.
Underscore stat underscore vacancy underscore grade.
And this is okay. Okay. Now finally, I do not want to have all the statistics. I want to have only four.
Sum is equal to ds of
We should write sum. But if you want to have the same thing in the data set,
sum is equal to
by default, what variable will get?
rate.
Want to have automatic name?
Sum is equal to total weight.
Whatever we want to have today. Now this is how we have. This is output window and this is the data set. Okay. Now finally, I want to have this total names separately, figures separately.
Class is exit. Class statement exit.
Explain. Now, if I open the output window, this is how we have. How we have now? We have females, number of observations total weight, males, number of observations total weight. So in females we have 9 observations total 811, males 10 observations 108.50. This is what is the output we are going to get. But in the data set, now what information that we are going to. This is the information that we are going to have in the data set. Now can you see what we have in the data set? Now we have one more extra variable called sex. And we have underscore type underscore figures. What is the variable that I have given? Now, output window in the data set we check. What we have
Total also we are getting in the first observation, and but in the output window we are getting only total weight, females and males. In the second we are getting the grand total also.
We are getting only for weight variable, that is okay. In the data set I have females total weight and males. What about the data set? We are getting for all the 19 students. And then we are getting females and males. But the interesting question is, what is underscore type underscore now? Previously we have seen underscore type underscore 0 only, but now we have two values. What are the two values that we have? 0, 0 and 1. When we have a 0, what is underscore frequency underscore? 19. That means we have to analyze all the 19 total students. But when we have underscore type underscore 1, for which will we have analysis?
Females and males.
In section, how many types of values we have in section on that? Females and males 10. So now underscore type underscore we have to get 0 and 1. When we have a 0, we got for all the total number of students. When we have a 1, underscore type underscore 1, we have analysis for which variable? Sex. So in the data set we have a total analysis for total number of students and we have based on the sex also. But in the data output window, we have analysis only one kind of analysis. What analysis that we have? Sex now. Based on only sex. Do we have here total 19 students? No. In the data set we have a total 19 student analysis and further based on the figure. And the output window only ఒకటే వస్తుంది. అదే data set దీంతో పని వస్తుందండి? Total. 19 students వస్తుంది. Understand this one? Now, by the way, I want to have an answer like this one. Now tell me, I am writing sex space age group. Tell me what answer that you are going to get in output with.
Females, females, other
Yes, with the females you are going to answer for?
adult, middle, and then
What answer that you are going to get now? Age. So, and then we are going to get the value like this, isn't it? We are going to get value like this one. I don't know what value that we are going to get, but this is okay. It's the value. Then we are going to get answer for whom?
females within the female age group, and then males within the males age group.
This is how we are going to get in the data set. See, we say with the females for adult, male, and young, and we are getting number of observations and the total number of observations by default. We will get. If we do not want to have number of observations, what we should do? No, yes. The number of them will be get separated, and this is so. This is what we are getting, and this is what we have discussed. Understand this, everybody? Is this clear? Now, this is okay, but what about the output data set? What is the data set that we have created at the moment?
DS1.
DS1, now max, the DS1. Now, the DS1 data set, this is the analysis that we are getting. This is the output we are getting. What is the difference between output and the data set?
Again, we got a grand total for total number of students.
Okay. Then,
Total number of students we got, and again for total females, for total males also, not based on sex and age. It is total female, total male, and total students.
then. Underscore type underscore, how many values we have now? What are the three
We
values?
have 1, 2, 3, 4.
We have 4 at 0, 1, 2, 3. Then we have underscore type underscore 0. We have an answer for whom?
Total number of students, total number of
We have
students.
underscore type underscore 1. We have an answer for whom? Only?
Age group.
Age group. Then we have underscore type underscore 2. We have an answer for which variable?
Only for
Only? Then we have underscore type underscore 3. Four six.
Age group.
So, initial and output, only highest categorization, output will be used in analysis within the sex group. Age group. It is going to save all the possible combinations. Data set matter is saving the data set. In the data set, it is saving first of overall for 90 students. Then after that, underscore tab underscore 1 and output in analysis. Only age group. Underscore tab underscore only sex. Underscore tab underscore 3 and output in the sex group. So, but output window, we are going to have only this part. But in the data set, it is going to save all the possible combinations. What are the combinations? In the class set, different sex space age group. Underscore type underscore 1 అయినప్పుడు ఎవరికి ఉంటుందండి ఏజ్ గ్రూప్ అనాలిసిస్ ఉంటుంది. Now see, underscore type underscore 1 we have analysis for which variable? Age group. The second variable left side variable sex. When sex ఉన్నప్పుడు underscore type underscore ఏమవుతుందండి ఇప్పుడు 2. 2 అయినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది?
Total of 6 students.
When underscore type underscore 3 అయినప్పుడు what is the analysis that we have within the sex?
Age group.
So in the output window, it is going to save all the possible combinations. This is how we have to explain it. Now, on the left side, I have written the sex variable. On the right side, which variable I have written? Age. Now, underscore type underscore 1 అయినప్పుడు ఎవరు వస్తుందని నాకు ఇప్పుడు?
Age group.
Age group. On the right side. Underscore type underscore 2 we are going to have analysis for the variable. Now, the sex and age group combination is going to be
3.
So how many combinations we are going to get now?
3.
Correct. Yes, okay. How many variables we have given in the class statement? How many variables we have written in the class statement? 2. Now we expect 1 to the power of n minus 1. How many variables we have given in the class statement? 2 to the power of 2 and again get
2 square 4 minus 1.
3 combinations now?
3 combinations.
Okay. Now tell me if I have the 3 variables. How many combinations are going? Say for example, I am writing sex on the left side, age group in the middle, and then I am writing age.
First age. 7 combinations.
7 combinations because the 2 to the power of n minus 1. N 3 minus 1 is equal to 8 minus 1. 8 minus is equal to how many combinations?
7 combinations.
Oh, what are the 7 combinations? First, this is 1. And how many are there? Age group. Age group is 2. Age group and age is 3. Now, sex is going to be 4. Now, sex and age is 5. Now, sex within the sex age group, age group age, and this is going to be the 7 combinations. Total how many combinations we are going to get now? 7. Understand this one? Now we'll see that one. I'll go to the program. I'm writing sex, age group, age. 3 variables. How many possible combinations now? 7 combinations. Select the program and export the program. Now I'm going to have a TS1 data set. Now can you say underscore type underscore 0 అయినప్పుడు ఎవరికి వస్తుందండి 19 total students. That పక్కన పెట్టండి. Underscore type underscore 1 అయినప్పుడు ఎవరికి ఉంది చూడండి? Age. When we have underscore type underscore 2?
Age group. Age group and age.
2.
Age group. Age group.
Age group. See? We are going to have only the age group. Underscore type underscore 2.
Okay.
Underscore type underscore 3 అయినప్పుడు ఎవరికి ఉంది చూడండి?
Age group and age group. Age group and age.
See? Within the age group. This is 3. Age group.
And age.
But if 4 అయినప్పుడు ఎవరు రావాలండి?
6.
Okay. When we have a 4, we have 5.
6.
6. When we have a 5,
6 and 8. 6 and 8.
6 and 8. చూడండి.
Between 6 and
8. 5. But 6 అయినప్పుడు ఎవరు ఉంది combination?
6 and 8 group.
6 and 8. చూడండి. 6 అయినప్పుడు 6 and
Age.
8. And 7 అయినప్పుడు ఎవరు రావాలండి?
7 age group and age.
8 and 8. Now see
6 age group and age.
Within the 6 age group. Within the age group, age. Now is the 7th combination. But the output will be ఏమొస్తుందో చూడండి. Only within the 6 age group, within the age group, age. But in the data set, it is going to save all the possible combinations.
Combinations.
Now tell me, if I specify 4 variables in the class statement, how many combinations are there?
15 combinations. 16 combinations.
And 2 or 4, and 2 or 4 is
4 minus 1.
16
minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2.
15 combinations. But the output will be ఏ combination వస్తుందండి మీకు? Only the first combination.
Only within 6 and age group, within each height.
Okay, within the sex age group, within the age group, age, within the age,
Height.
and we are getting the total for the variable. But in the data set matram, it is going to save all the 15 combinations. Very, very important. But in the data set also, if I specify 3 variables, how many combinations you get in the data set if I have 3 variables?
7.
In output we get only 7 combinations, but in the data set how many combinations you get? You get all the 7 plus 0 combinations.
7.
But in the data set also, I want to have only the 7th combination. I do not want to have other combinations, only 7 combinations. If you want to have only 7th combination, now we are going to use an option called n-way. NY option will give only the highest combination, which is which combination?
Seventh combination.
Seventh
Seventh combinations.
Now we will not get the underscore M square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we get only underscore M underscore 7. Understand this, everybody? But I want to have a specific combination, not a seventh. I want to have fourth combination. If you want to have fourth combination in that scenario, you should not write anyway. What we should write? Doubt is equal to F. When the penalty is where is equal to, when the penalty is underscore score equal to whichever combination that you want to have. Now you get that specific combination because we are also get both in data step and cross step. Now you only get only fourth combination in the data step. Clear, everybody?
So,
Yes.
so it simply means that if we have three variables, we have to just add on like 2 to the power of n. We have to just do it like that and minus.
Yes. Understand how many combinations that we will get. So if you have three variables, how many possible combinations that we will get to explain that one? We have a simple formula 2 to the power of n minus 1. So 2 to the power of n means 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is equal to how many? What is the value? 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. You get 7. Don't consider the 0, but you get the remaining 7 underscore type underscore 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7. Okay, but if I specify two variables, tell me how many combinations I get?
3. 3 combinations.
Okay, it means 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. You get 3 combinations. Are you serious? 3. Okay, underscore type underscore 0 you get always. That is for overall. But you get 1, 2, 3. Understand this one?
Yes.
Is this clear, everybody? Now we discuss the remaining concepts in tomorrow's class. Proc means and we will complete the proc summary also tomorrow. Okay? Okay then. See you in tomorrow's class.
अरे कावा रे कावा हाँ कस्टमर को डिलीवरी दिया हमारा दी अरे कस्टमर को पहले वाली दे दो कोई नहीं।
अरे इसका एक ये लगा रहे एक बार शादू के देखेंगे यार
वो
क्या रे वो करंट तो बंद कर क्यों लगा
क्या करंट था?
इन्वर्टर रे
इन्वर्टर में चला रही हूँ।
वहाँ से लेके फिर इन्वर्टर लगा रहे हैं
वो जाता क्यों?
अरे लगा बनाना एक बार आ रहे हैं
और ये निकालना पड़ता है।
हाँ खाली वो उसका निकाल के इसका लगा हुआ है
वो उसको डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन है उसको।
इसको